Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Wall Street, or 28 miles northwest of Denver, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chrisman, Salina, Sunshine, Somerville, and El Dorado Springs around 4:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Boulder, Jamestown, and Niwot. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service